Alright guys, so I'm not sure if your Lowe's has done this, but if they have, definitely go check it out. They've got the top two sections of a Klein mod box here on a display, but this is a demo table. It's a Klein demo table. So they've got a small roll of wire here that you can actually cut and strip. They've got an outlet in a handy box here that you can disassemble. And they've got a bunch of different Klein tools laying here that you can try out. So this is really neat how they've got this display. So if you want to try something before you buy it, or you just want to see a great display, man, this thing is freaking awesome. And this demo table is genius. So I'm not sure who came up with the demo table idea, but props to you. So y'all head down to your local Lowe's and see if they've got one of these black displays with the demo table on top. Man, I can't get over this. This is genius. Absolutely genius. Hats off to you, Lowe's. You're doing good.